What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So tomorrow NIO will report its latest earnings for this quarter, and today I want to show you guys some bulls and bears opinion about NIO stock, and hopefully that would be helpful to you if you want to make any investment decisions recently. So if you are interested in NIO stock, please keep watching. So NIO is an electric vehicle manufacturer in China and is established in 2014 and has been listed in New York Stock Exchange in 2018. So comparing with Tesla, who has a 20 years of history, NIO is relatively a younger corporation. So this year, NIO stock price has increased dramatically from $3 to the current $14. First, probably because the heat of the current trend of electric vehicle that lead by Tesla, who has been turned positive net income for the continuous fourth quarter. And also because NIO company, they have their delivery is more than expectation, and they also have more fundings so that investors would not worry about the company would go bankruptcy. So the first bull opinion is because of the increasing delivery of the car, also the support from the Chinese government. Since China, the government want to support this electric vehicle car, so that means if people are purchasing electronic vehicles, the government will provide some subsidies around 20,000 RMB, which is around 3,000 US dollars. So this government policy has helped these EV companies to achieve more sales. The second bull opinion is that NIO has adopted the battery swap technology, which is different from Tesla's charging station, which takes around 30 minutes. This battery swap technology may be more suitable for a Chinese company because in China it's not like in US. There's less population and more land to build the charging station. Like Tesla can build the charging station in each house. But since China has a huge population and a lot of people in the city, they are living in apartment, that is impossible to build charge station for each apartment. And also, since the charging process takes a longer time comparing with the battery swap, so the Chinese consumers would like to pay for a little bit more for the battery swap in order to save some time. And NIO has a patent in this battery swap technologies. That would also be one of its competitive advantage comparing with other EV companies. The third bull opinion is because of its management, CEO William Li. So William Li has been in this automobile company in 20 years, and he himself has founded 3 startups including NIO, and 2 of the company has listed in US and Hong Kong exchange. So since the management has deep experience in the vehicle industry, and he has think deep about the consumer needs and trends in China for a long time. So with the deep understanding about the industry, the management has a big vision about the EV industry in the future and would more likely to lead the company into a brighter future. And the fourth bull opinion is that the company has differentiated itself by providing a very unique and unexpected customer experience. So NIO has burning a lot of money at the very beginning. And aside from R&D that it has spent huge amount of money in, it also have spent a lot of money into marketing and customer experience. So the company has spent money in NIO House in China to promote their technology, as well as build a community in the EV owners or the people potentially want to buy an EV. So this can help the consumers, especially the potential customers, to better understand the advantages of electronic vehicles, to get more information about the industry so that it can help better transform those potential customers into the customers. However, there's also some bear opinions about the stock. The first one is NIO does not manufacture the car all by itself. It has been outsourced the manufacturer to the third-party car manufacturer called JAC, which is also located in its headquarters, Hefei City. Because some investors think NIO doesn't control the manufacturer part, which is the core part for the EV production when comparing with Tesla, who has controlled the whole process of manufacture. But since it's just the beginning situation of NIO, as mentioned, the company just established for like 6 years, so that currently they don't have much resources and money to have their own manufacturer. Maybe they will have it in the future, but since JAC also provide the manufacturer service for a lot of high-end car in China, so currently the management of NIO think it's become the standard to have the third-party manufacturing in China, because a lot of high-end car is manufactured there. So currently they don't worry so much about that. It is outsourced. The second bear opinion is fierce competition in the EV industry in China. So this year, another competitor of NIO, Li Auto, also launched in the US capital market, and sooner another competitor, XPeng model, will also launch in US capital market as they already filed the IPO application. So for the EV industry, which is an industry that requires innovation as well as leading technology, it's really hard to say at this point like who will be the winner in 5 years. Other than the government support, currently NIO got funding from a lot of big companies like Tencent and Xiaomi. I think a lot of big companies except Alibaba, because Alibaba has already invested in XPeng. And Li Auto also get investment from 2 big companies, which is ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, as well as Meituan. I think at the current point, it's really hard to say which one will be the winner, but I think NIO do have some of the advantages, like it has a battery swap technologies which can grant its vehicles for the government support of around $20,000 for even for the car that is over $300,000 RMB, and that would be a huge help for the company's sales. And I also think that the management CEO William Li is a good persuader, because he has bring a lot of investment from a lot of big companies in China. So his ability for marketing the company and get the resources and investment that will help the company in this competition, because the EV industry needs to burn a lot of money. Without these investment, the company can easily go bankruptcy and not compete one more year with other competitors. For 2 of these reasons, I would be very positive to NIO stock. And tomorrow it will be the earnings, and the company will also announce its gross margin to see whether it turns the positive 5%, as the CEO has mentioned in the last earnings call. Yeah, I will look forward to their earnings release tomorrow before the market open. If there's anything report, I will also give you guys an update. So that's all the point I think is interesting about NIO stock. Hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!